Namaskar, welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, let us look into the investment pattern of mutual funds. That is, if we wish to invest, how we have to invest. Mutual funds provide opportunities to the small investors who are unable to invest in corporate securities due to lack of knowledge or less quantity of funds at the disposal of the small saving community. Mutual funds provide that opportunity to small saving community to invest in stock market. To understand what a mutual fund is, once again let us look into the definition given by SEBI. Mutual fund means a fund established in the form of a trust by a sponsor to raise money by the trustee through the sale of units to the public under one or more schemes for investing in securities in accordance with the regulations. So, what is the procedure? The small savings are pooled and invested in stock market in a wide variety of stocks. The investment procedure in mutual funds is very simple. Investors willing to invest in mutual fund can buy units of the selected mutual fund. The units are the investors' holdings. Mutual funds announces the sale price of units at which investors can buy. Usually, new mutual fund schemes offer unit price at 10 rupees. For existing schemes, the unit price is announced by the fund every day. The fund decides the price on the basis of net asset value of the units for existing funds. Mutual fund units has to be purchased at a minimum amount prescribed by the mutual fund and the multiple thereof. It is like 10,000 and multiple of 10,000 or 1,000 multiple of 1,000, like that. In case of open end scheme, investors can buy the units at the price quoted by the mutual funds. Mutual funds also have distribution channels to market the units. They may be individual agents, distribution companies, banks and non-banking finance companies. Individual agents are playing active role in marketing mutual funds in India. After making the investments, the investors are given account statement. The statement shows their holdings and the price at which they bought the units. Mutual funds investors are identified by the account number or folio number. Almost all mutual funds are facilitating investors with online dealings. The investor can directly buy online through the website of the company or can take the help of agents. Thus, the mutual funds are connecting link to the small saving units to the larger securities markets. It balances the risk and return factors in individuals' investments. Thank you for watching. God bless you.